Ladies and gentlemen, the Regiment's
Sever your fate.
Theo's champions barely had time to catch their breath after that last battle, but the man and girl in black are fully rested and hungry for payback!
Only one of these teams will leave with the keystone in hand. Who will it be?
To help us commentate on the proceedings, we've enlisted the aid of Corneo Man's soon-to-be ex-owner, Dio! A pleasure, Dio. We thought we'd be well-suited to assist, seeing as you have a history with the Turks.
Well, the bold one and I did come to blows. From the moment our tussle began, it was plain that Turk was not only strong, but strategic.
How so?
He knows a range of techniques and when to use them.
So are you saying you expect him to clean up in today's grudge match?
He won't make it easy for my champions. But formidable as he is, we still have the numbers. It's going to be down to...
No fair! Back off!
Well done.
That was nothing.
Uh-oh, what's this? Our two Turks look like they're getting into position.
Oh, this ought to be good.
The tension's so thick you could cut it with a knife. The Turks are planning something big, but will it be big enough to turn the tide?
There! To the limit and beyond!
Nowhere to go!
Dio's hanging on by a thread.
And Theo's phone is ringing off the hook! Who's on the other end?
That's it!
Yes, this is he. Oh, Mr. President! To what do I owe the pleasure?
It is not.
Sorry, you'll have to excuse me. I have some business to attend to.
Uh-oh! Must be pretty urgent to pull the director away.
Especially since our heated match between Dio's champions and the Turks is about to reach a fever pitch. Dio may be bowing out, but Clutch and I will continue to cover this thrilling fight. Has been brought to her knees! Can they pull it together in time?
We salute you, the symbol of President who we all adore. Gotta say, Director, I wasn't expecting such an impressive special guest.
Nor was I. The President's proposal caught me entirely by surprise.
Now that our VIP has entered the fray, how do you envision this fight playing out?
Well, it takes tenacity to climb the corporate ladder, but whether that would translate to the arena is anyone's guess.
You're saying a big gamble for the President?
Yes, though I doubt he's leaving it all to chance. He would never commit to a losing venture. All I can say with confidence is that this bout will be discussed for weeks and months to come. Even years.
You hear that, folks? This is history in the making. I don't know about you folks, but I felt that one from over here. Another steady blow. Cloud's bringing the pain.
Meet Kamui, my new gift. Oh, please. Don't act like you're not impressed. Shall I sever your fate?
Cloud's out here showing everyone just what a soldier can do!
Cocky as ever. Either my stomach's growling or the President's hooch has joined the fray.
Well trained, don't you think?
You can't bite the hand that feeds.
And yet here you are. Really though, it's past time I muzzled you. Good luck. All barred. Still no bite.
Who let the
With his faithful friend at his side, I'd say the president might still have a fighting chance.
The odds are certainly in his favor. Can Cloud win this 2-on-1 clash, or will he struggle?
It's a former soldier we're talking about. One put on the Darkstar. Now, the crowd is howling as the loyal hound Darkstar goes down. Down! He'll be leaving with his tail between his legs after this showing.
Rufus must be raging at the loss of his partner. And I have no doubt he'll be taking all that anger out on Cloud and sending him to the dogs.
Shinra's commander-in-chief versus an ex-soldier first class! No one could have...
See that, folks? That Merchant Rufus is that Cloud right where he wants him. Can the Merchant make a comeback? Or is it too late?
Not bad, Mr. President. But you'll never be a soldier.